Get that snake out of there. What is up, guys? Beautiful sunny day. It just got done raining, but it's sunny now. Here in Oconto, Wisconsin, there's the Brothers 3 restaurant right here, on the corner of Superior and Peacourt. And there's a bridge right behind me. You can go down there, clean up some garbage, find some treasures, get some fishing lures out of there, fishing line. Let's go. You guys work here at Brothers 3. Well, I love your pizza. It's pretty good. Don't want to slip. Alright. Alright, she's sliding on the rocks. I'm gonna throw this out. Oops, didn't sound good. Alright, so it's gonna be a lot of mysteries in here. Mystery awaits. This is Eric. Eric works at Brothers 3, and he drives how many hours to get down here? 2 hours and 20 minutes. Oh man, you're pretty committed. So I lost a hook net, a lure, a clacking wrap. I collect these, or a GoPro. Now this is a cool find right here. Get that snake out of there. Is this your bike?
As a kid, we used to lose a lot of smelt nets on the other side.
Okay, I'll be over there after.
Yeah, all right, awesome.
Yeah.
Man.
Thanks, man. Right where you're at, there's a huge bass. No.
Okay, well, I'm surprised not more junk is coming up.
Scooter. Bikes and scooters everywhere. Pretty much every bridge. Never seen anything like that before. It's like a ring that you pound in. Is that from the old logging days or what? Pound it in there. What kind of bone is that? That thing is huge. It was cut. Like a cow bone or something. The other end is stuck. Really big chain. Yeah. I think there's the other sheath. Huh. Well, where's all the treasures at? That way or that way? I think I'm gonna keep going, looking around here. There's gotta be something else.
Oh yeah, there gotta be something.
There's the apple phone. It's all destroyed. Don't know what that is. Like a tool bag or something? Tackle bag? Nothing. There's a cup, and the fish went right inside the cup, and I grabbed it. One of those little gobies. There he is. A goby. And he ain't happy. That was his home. Sorry, buddy. Some trash right there. Fishing line. Found sunglasses. More sunglasses. He must be jumping off here with their sunglasses on and losing them. That thing was stuck good. Whew. Just finished my dive here in the Oconto River, Oconto, Wisconsin. Got Brothers Street Pizza right behind me. Awesome place to eat. If you've never been there, you gotta try it out. The owner here said I could bring my kayak over down here, unload all the stuff right here, back in here, made it a lot easier. So today I got a lot of metal. There's another bike there. There's a scooter somewhere over there. A road barricade sign there. Piece of an old office chair. This is either from a wagon wheel or from an old barrel. Some other chunks of metal there. Found somebody's little bag here, maybe a tackle bag or something. Got a bunch of plastic out right there, a bunch of glass. Found another older Pepsi bottle here, Pepsi Cola. And these other ones aren't really too old. Some cloth out of there. Got an Adidas shirt and a lot of aluminum cans, tin cans. Part of a boot. Someone's old iPhone here. 2 pairs of sunglasses, 2 golf balls, a couple lures, and of course I collect these clacking wrap minnow. Piece of necklace here, a hospital band, and found this cool little bucket right here. That's going in the backyard. Really fun dive. Only dove for 1 hour today. Tired out, but got a lot of stuff. A lot of people are watching from the bridge there today. Kind of just see when I was pulling up. It was cool. My next dive, I will be going over on that bridge. I don't know if it'll be next week or when, but I do want to go check that area out.
They even fed me for cleaning up the river.